Open Notepad. Type the following batch script in Notepad. This is the document that we want to delete. This is the name of the document. Copy the location of the document. Pass the location of the document that you want to delete. Copy the name of the document that you want to delete. Paste it in your batch script. Copy the extension of the document that you want to delete. Paste it after the name of the document in your batch script. This is the name of the document. This is the extension of the document. Let's save our batch script. Put .bat at the end of the name. This is our batch file. Let's delete this document. Open the batch file. The batch file delete the document successfully.